Hello and a warm welcome from the GAT headquarters. Today with Jem
and with Julia. We received an increasing number of inquiries about injector cleaner, especially for GDI engines. The trend among automobile manufacturers is also increasingly towards the GDI engines.
The advantages of a GDI engine are obvious. With the direct injection, the fuel is injected directly into the interior of the engine compartment from an injection nozzle. This not only saves fuel, but also minimizes carbon dioxide emissions thanks to the direct injection.
The problem that arises with the direct injection, however, is that the nozzles, the valves and the pistons contaminate the bottom. This happens because some of the exhaust gases are burned again. In the exhaust gases, there are partly unburned fuel residues that come back into the combustion chamber and contaminate the injectors. Poor fuel quality can also contaminate the microchannels. The exhaust emission values, as well as the fuel consumption, increase again compared to the clean injectors.
We have developed a solution for this problem, the GDI Injector Cleaner. This product specifically cleans the GDI injectors, the valves and the piston bottoms. Thus, it eliminates the negative effects of injector contamination on exhaust gas, emissions and fuel consumption.
The GDI Injector Cleaner enables excellent control of the fuel injection and the intake valve in engines with direct injectors. In addition, carburetor deposits and deposits in the combustion chamber can be better controlled.
We will now show you the effect of this product on a vehicle. This is Paul, our application engineer.
Hello together.
Paul, could you please give us some information about this vehicle?
Yes. Here we have an Audi Q2 with a 1.4 liter TFSI engine with direct injection and 150 horsepower.
To illustrate better the effectiveness of our product, we will now show you the piston bottoms of the vehicle with an endoscope.
The piston bottoms are quite dirty. A reason for this could be that the spray pattern of the injectors is not perfect or an injector is even blocked. In case the injectors no longer run smoothly, the fuel consumption and the exhaust emissions increase. The injectors might feed fuel into the engine unevenly, which causes an uneven running of the engine.
Paul now plugs in back the spark plugs and we will now drive to the gas station to applicate the product and to fill our tank.
In order to show the effectiveness of the product, we have to drive 500 kilometers roundabout, and so the product can work and the injectors are being cleaned.
We will check once again the piston bottoms with the endoscope to see the effect of the GDI product. As you can see here very well, the piston bottoms are much cleaner than before. They are almost like brand new.
The engine now runs much smoother and the exhaust emissions and the fuel consumption decreased because we have now clean injectors.
We are already at the end now. We hope that you enjoyed our video and we hope also that we were able to show you the effectiveness of our GDI Injector Cleaner. See you. Bye.
Bye.